Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to plait my hair. It's my natural hair. I have kept my natural hair since 3 years now. I started living my natural hair since 2016 and now 2016 August. So we are now in 2019 August and when I end of September. So my hair is 3 years and 2 months. So I have been trying to keep this natural hair. It's not so easy because I have a plastic hair, you know. My hair is so plastic and I've been trying to keep it. It's very difficult to maintain because it's like plastic. It's very strong. So now I'm going to plait it and then I'm going to put wig on it. I've been carrying my hair since 1 week now. I opened it since 1 week. I've been using it to go to work like this, and I think today I am going to have something else, you know, to change on my face. So I'm going to weave it all back now and then fix my wig on it. So you guys stay tuned. So I'm going to start from here to here. So guys, I'm going to install the hair now, and I just got this wigs from AliExpress. It's just these three again. Though I have made a video last week about all I ordered, but this one just came in one after the other, and in the weekend I got this. I got the smallest one, came on Friday. So I'm going to open them and see which one I need to use for now. The week that came last week, they are coming one after the other, and I've made a video with the other ones, and these are the ones that came. So I'm going to choose from any of this one to see. So guys, how do you see this? I think this is cool to go out. I think it's good. I've never worn blonde wig before, yellow wig before, so I think I'm loving it, and then it's cool. It's cool to go. Good. So guys, this is all for today. This is all I'm going to do for today, and then next week or next time that I have time again, I will be doing tutorial for other weeks. I hope you like them, guys. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to Miriam and Twins, don't forget to click that button and give us a thumb up, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.